a look at this 1982 Chevrolet Corvette. Just in here at Unique Specialty and Classics. A beautiful car in the Corvette silver blue metallic. Two-tone combination is available in 82. Powered by 350. Chevy V8 underneath the hood. Very nicely equipped. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Obviously a T-top car. This does have the laminated glass T-tops in it also. You can see front end is free of rock chips and scratches. Might be just a couple here and there if I kind of point them out, but other than that, very, very clean car. Riding on the original stock wheels, is original miles, a little over 61,000. We'll get around to the other side, start it up for you, and you can check out the interior. If you'd like to check out the underside pictures, interior pics, engine bay, all of those can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. There's also the window sticker and the original bill of sale when this car was purchased. It does have the cloth blue interior buckets, automatic transmission, upgraded radio, cassette player. Very nicely equipped car, nice looking car. Uniqueclassiccars.com is where you can see those still pictures. Feel free to call us too. We can be reached at 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer any questions that you may have on this particular Vette. Get you an idea. Paint is in nice shape, has a nice luster to it. Wheels are also in nice shape. You can tell it's a well taken care of, adult owned and driven car. Come around and check out this interior. See the door cards. All the originals got a little sill plate in here. I believe this would have been added here with the Corvette insignia on it. Power seat, the driver's side there. You can see the seats aren't all worn or torn at all. It does have a carrying case or a bag, protective bag in the back there for the T-tops if you want to put them in that, put them in your garage or what have you. Or you can strap them in the back. There's still the strap back there that it would have came with from Chevrolet to strap those T-tops in the rear compartment. It does have the sunshade too. I don't have it pulled back, but the sunshade is back there. It is working. I had it out in some of the pictures. Let's go ahead and start this up. Check out the exact miles. 61,595. Nice starting and running car. There's the upgraded stereo. Here's all the gauges work. Power windows and power locks. Again, you can see the dash isn't all cracked. Tachometer works. Let's see, I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to pop this hood. Easy on this one to open with one hand, so you can take a look at this engine bay also. See how clean it is? How nice and smooth this engine runs. Looking for a nice C3 Corvette? Here you go. 1982 Chevrolet Corvette. Corvette silver blue metallic paint, a little over 60,000 miles on it, automatic. Again, check out the still pictures. You can see the window sticker, original bill of sale. It does come with the 82 owner's manual. Those pictures can be seen as well as the underside, interior, all the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. And of course, feel free to give us a call. We'd be happy to discuss this car with you, maybe discuss transportation to where you're located at. We can be reached at 507-386-1726.